Okay, so problem 2-3. If the pressure 23 meter below a liquid is 338.445 kilopascal, determine its unit weight, mass density, and specific gravity. So again class, if you look at the given, may given dito na how much? May given dito class na 338.445 no kilopascal. So ano ibig sabihin nito class? That is pressure, no? Kasi pascal is for pressure. Okay? So or diba, ang kilopascal is just the same as 338.445 kilo, then pascal is newton per square meter, is pascal. Now he is asking class for the unit weight. Okay, for letter A, he is asking for the unit weight, no? Unit weight, diba? He is asking for the unit weights. So I think pressure, no? Pressure is equals to unit weight times the height. Okay, so meron tayong pressure 338. How much? Meron tayong pressure na binigay, no? 338.445 kilonewton per square meter equals the unit weight of the liquid times merong height. How much ba yun? 23 meter. So merong height binigay na 23 meter. So okay, so our unit weight is equals to, diba, divide both sides, that is 338.445 kilonewton per square meter over 23 meter. Okay, so 338.445 338.445 divided by 23. Okay, so 338.445 over 23, okay, equals 14.715, no? So the unit weight is 14 point what 0.715 wala tayong maka-cancel dyan, no? That is kilonewton per cubic meter na, no? Kasi this one will be square, no? Will be square times square yan, no? Times meter, so that is cubic meter. Okay, so ang ang unit weight natin is 14.715 kilonewton per cubic meter. So tandaan lang natin ang mga units, no class. Ang unit ng unit weight is newton per cubic meter. Okay, and second tanong is mass density. Okay, or density. So how will you solve for density? So density, I think density is kilogram, no, per cubic meter. O, paano natin gawin density? Okay, so density, if you base from the, for instance, no, nakalimutan ang formula ng density. Ano bang density? Letter B, density. The unit for density is kilogram per cubic meter. So that's actually weight over what? Over volume. Density. So if you look at a specific or unit weight, okay, pag tingnan natin class, ang unit weight natin is 14.715. I-read ko, no? 14 Diba? 0.715. Ang kilo class, that is actually times 10 to the power of 3. Diba? Then, ang Newton is kilogram meter per square seconds. Ayusin natin, no? Ayan. Okay, ang Newton is kilogram meter per square seconds, and then meron ka pang sa baba na cubic meter. Okay? So dapat class mawala, no? Para maka-arrive tayo sa kilogram per cubic meter, dapat mawala ang alin? Ang meter per square seconds. That is actually gravitational acceleration. So you have to divide this one by meter per square seconds. That is actually gravitational acceleration, no? So we can cancel out. Yan. So anong naiwan ba, class? Ang naiwan, class, is kilogram per cubic meter, which is actually ang unit na naiwan ay kilogram per cubic meter, which is actually density. So how much? 14.715 times 10 to the power of 3. Fraction, no? 14.715 exponent 3 over 9.81. A equals 1,500 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay? So I will erase this one, no? The answer is 1,500 kilogram per cubic meter. That is actually our mass density or density. Okay, next question is, anong next question? Specific gravity. So again, no, there are two equation for specific gravity. Pwede ba palitin ito? Lilit lang natin ng konti. Okay, so there are two equation for specific gravity. Pwede, di ba? Okay, number one, your specific gravity is equals to the unit weight of the water, then unit weight of the liquid, or yan. So specific gravity is equals to, if you are going to use unit weight, then definitely ang unit weight ng water is 9.81 kilonewton per constant yan, no? Cubic meter. Ano ang unit weight ng liquid? Diba? That is 14.715 kilonewton per cubic meter. So cancel out ang unitless, no? So specific gravity is equals to 14.715 over 9.81 equals 1.5 specific gravity. Dapat pareho din, no? Pag ginamitan natin, class, ng density to solve for the specific gravity, let's say, no, ito. Pag ginamitan natin ng density, specific gravity, gamit ang density, of course, density of water, then density of the liquid. So specific gravity, ano ba ang density ng water? That is 1,000, no? Kilogram per cubic meter. Then density of the liquid is 1,500 kilogram per cubic meter. So we can cancel out the unit. No? Cancel out. So specific gravity is still dapat pareho lang, no? 1.5. Okay? So kahit saan yan, kahit anong gamitin mo, pwede din. So as long as alam mo ang unit weight ng water, that is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter, then unit density ng water, that is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay? Summarize natin ulit, no? Again, very important lang, no? Unit weight ng water, that is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. And then, ano pa? Density ng water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay?